Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Silibaziso Mupereki, and I create content for all things nursing school, university life, and international student experiences. So if you'd be interested, definitely consider subscribing. In this video, I'm going to be speaking about different Google extensions and websites that every student needs to make their life easier. Momentum allows you to transform your new tab into a focused, productive, and inspiring dashboard. It does this by providing you with a to-do list. You can see this whenever you open a new tab. In addition to choosing one task as your main focus, which is at the center of your new tab. In addition, it allows you to bookmark frequently used websites for easy access. It also gives you free daily motivational quotes to keep you inspired. Overall, it just provides you with a pretty new tab that's assigned to you while allowing you to keep track of your to-do list while you browse on the internet. Grammarly is a well-known Google extension. It is your mobile English teacher. It helps you to write mistake-free in Gmail, Facebook, Google Docs, Word, etc. Grammarly scans your text for common grammatical mistakes like misused commas and also complex grammatical mistakes like misplaced modifiers, incorrect spelling, etc. etc. It's really helpful when writing any papers and sending emails because you really don't want to embarrass yourself, to your future boss, to your lecturer, or anyone important with your bad grammar. So this is really an important tool to use, especially in university where we are writing a lot of scientific papers. MyBib, which is short for My Bibliography, is a free bibliography and citation generator that makes accurate citations for you to copy straight into your academic assignments and papers. You simply browse to any page on the internet, including PDFs, and you click on the MyBib button on the top right to generate an automatically formatted citation for that page. It can cite into 9,000 different citation styles, so you'll be sure to find the approved citation technique that your university uses. Once cited, you simply copy your generated citations directly into your paper or save them under a project in the MyBib platform, and you can name the project whatever that project that you're doing. MyBib is totally free to use and has no ads and works on both Android and iOS browsers. Notion is an all-in-one workspace where you can write, plan, collaborate, and get organized. It allows you to take notes, manage projects such as group projects or YouTube or content creation. It is a goal and habit tracking app. It allows you to do a wide variety of things. It provides you with such a versatile place to do all your work and create your own templates as you see fit. I personally use it to keep track of my YouTube content stuff, the videos that I need to make. I can create calendars for it and I can group it according to what I'm planning to do, what has been recorded, what needs to be edited, what needs to be done. I also use it to keep track of my goals, my reading list, and most importantly, my school notes. Since everything is online, I'm able to create my notes on Notion, and therefore I'll have access on them. I'll have access of them on my phone when I'm busy traveling, so that while I'm traveling, I'm able to study and I can create beautiful notes. I can add pictures, I can add videos to my notes. It just allows me to able to create that interactive study note, and I will have access to it on my phone and on my desktop. And you can even just log into the online session should you use a separate laptop and that sort of thing, and you will have access to all those things because your device will sync with one another. SlidesGo is a website that provides you with free Google Slides in PowerPoint templates to boost your presentations. SlideScore offers an extensive catalog of free Google Slide themes and PowerPoint templates for creative presentations. These are customizable to better suit the need of any given user, so the possibilities are endless. It will just take your presentation game to a whole new level. They've got a wide variety of topics that they cover, and if you are a nursing student, their medical templates are beautiful, and it will really be useful for those case studies that you have to do during group presentations. It will really just make your whole presentation look beautiful because the designs and the tools that they use are just beautiful, and they use a lot of medical things in it, so you do not have to take the extra step to go download those pictures. It's just already included in the template. Sleep Calculator. This is a website that tells you the best time to wake up based on the time that you go to bed, or the other way around. If you need to wake up at a certain time, it will tell you the best time to drift off. It works with your REM cycle, which is a 90-minute cycle of you drifting between your deep and light sleep during the night. So the sleep calculator calculates when you'd be in light sleep, and this would be the best time for you to wake up so that you're not as tired or groggy. So you can use it to say from exactly this point, what time should I wake up in the morning? Or you can say, I want to wake up at 5 in the morning. What time should I be going to sleep? This will help you to be able to wake up at the time where you're the least tired, and makes it easier for you to wake up than if you wake up in your deep sleep. You will be constantly tired and you do not want to get out of bed. So this is a really useful tool to use as a student because we are constantly going to sleep at any time. So you can definitely use this to find the best time to wake up and sleep, depending on whether you're a night sleeper or a day sleeper. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. If you found any of these tips useful, definitely give this video a thumbs up. And if there's any extra resources that you use in your university life just to make it easier, definitely put it down in the comment section and we can share it with everyone else in the community. And if you haven't subscribed yet, definitely consider doing that. Right now, thank you guys so much, and see you next week, Friday, 12 p.m. South African time, same platform. Bye.